Hey Vikings, I'm Faith.
And I'm Kensley.
And welcome back to this week's broadcast. Hey Kensley, did you hear how busy the gym was last week?
No, what's been going on?
Well, to make us feel old, the 8th graders had orientation.
Oh, I saw that. I'm curious how many kids will come here when we leave next year.
Representing row the boat, okay? And obviously it takes everybody in the boat rowing together to make it.
Every year, the 8th graders have the opportunity to tour Northwest during 8th grade orientation. This year, orientation took place on Thursday, February 6th.
8th grade orientation is a night that all 8th graders from all over the area, Grand Island and outside the area, can come to Northwest and have an opportunity to listen and learn and find out about Northwest.
The benefits are that they get to walk around Northwest High School if they haven't been here, so they get to become more acquainted with the layout of the school. I think some of the greatest benefits, though, are meeting the teachers, meeting the administrators, the counselors, and then also interacting with students.
Then we go into the part of the night where it is more specific to parents. I talk to the parents that night, try to answer questions they have.
There are many activities the incoming freshmen have the opportunity to view during orientation, ranging from athletics to all kinds of clubs.
Mr. Fritchie and Mr. Bombeck will take the 8th graders and they'll go to the gym and they will just kind of go through a little spiel telling them, things about activities, athletics, but also just as far as just kind of about Northwest and what their day would look like.
When everyone's in the gym, it's fun to watch all of the students interact, the prospective students coming in with our current students and parents talking to students and coaches and teachers.
When all the kids go to the gym to find out about activities, athletics, again, talk to kids involved in those things. It's fun seeing those kids going and talking to our kids here and the sponsors, so I love seeing that, and then sometimes that leads parents again to come over and ask some questions.
Orientation takes a lot of hard work and preparation to run smoothly every year.
There's a lot that goes into the planning. I definitely have to give a shout out to Mrs. Ramsey. She does a lot to help get ready for the night. A lot of the secretaries that are here that night then are helping getting parents registered. There's tons of t-shirts that are donated for the night, like Mrs. Chapman and a couple students help wrap those and get those ready. That's like an exciting part of the night. Anytime the t-shirts are thrown out, kids are obviously excited.
Well, it's a team effort. So Mr. Hinkle's class, one of his students this year, Leah Dismang, creates the video that we have, and I want to say that's always a highlight to see the student-created video. Mr. Fanstill will have his jazz band play. The custodians play a huge part in helping us get set up for the tables and just prepared the building. Mr. Mosier talks with parents, so he has to get his information put together.
Thank you to the administration, staff, and students for everything you do to make the 8th grade orientation a success.
There sure was a lot of people there.
It's so crazy to think that we won't be here next year.
I know. Being a senior can be stressful, but there are fun things to it, like having senior nights.
That's true. The cheerleaders had their senior night last week as well.
Let's go see how the night went.
The Northwest cheer team had their senior night on Tuesday, February 4th.
I joined cheer my junior year, and I just needed something else to do, and I wanted to meet more people. I am a back bass.
I joined cheer my sophomore year, and I joined because I wanted to be more involved in the school activities. I am a side bass.
Knowing that the end is near and an activity is always bittersweet.
My favorite part of cheer is just being with my friends and football games.
My favorite part of cheer would have to be making friends throughout the years.
Senior night is a special part of each activity for coaches, students, and their parents.
Senior night is where we go out and just get recognized for being on the team.
Senior night is a night that the school recognizes the seniors in their activities.
Senior night means to me just being recognized and being with my friends and for all the things that I've done.
To me, senior night is going to be very sad because it is going to make me realize that my final days of cheering are going to be over.
I prepared for senior night. I got a board and I decorated it, and then I had my mom help me with the pictures.
So to prepare for senior night, I had to go buy all the supplies to make my board, and it took me about 3 hours.
With cheer, I'll miss the most probably just hanging out with friends and then football games.
I'll miss cheering at football games the most.
Congratulations to our senior athletes, and we wish them the best of luck as they finish their final year of high school.
Wow, we are losing a lot of seniors this year, including us.
Yeah, that's true. It's going to be sad, but at least I'll be able to work more after we graduate.
Amen. I'm very broke. Speaking of work, have you heard of the Career Essentials class that Miss Cooper teaches?
Actually, I have, but I'm still interested in learning what they do.
Mrs. Cooper's Career Essential class is for juniors and seniors that want to explore potential career opportunities.
Career Essentials is a class that is partially in the classroom, partially out on job shadows. And basically we do class time and then you go on your shadows. To do your shadows, they check out with me in the classroom. They go on their shadow for an hour. They come back to class and check back in, and then they go to the next class period. The class is a 2-period class period.
I took Career Essentials because I wasn't quite sure on what I want to do after I graduate, and it's just a way for me to see on a day-to-day basis what it's like at the different jobs I shadow.
My role as a teacher is just teaching the class, helping students find the right fit for them for a shadow, assisting them with giving them opportunities for ideas of where to go and what they want to see, and giving them phone numbers and just helping them with the process.
So far, we've only done one shadow, and I job shadowed at Keller Williams with Brittany Utter. She's a realtor. And I plan on job shadowing stuff with cosmetology, at Peace Lutheran with the preschoolers, and also at Grand Island Imaging with an ultrasound tech.
There are many different places students can job shadow to try and figure out a future job.
Career Essentials has helped me find what I want to do because I can see in person what's the best fit for me and what I like and don't like.
Students should take Career Essentials if they're just looking for their future, what they want to do, for finding out, maybe confirming what they want to do for their career, and possibly just trying something different that maybe they haven't thought about before for what they want to do in the future.
The students in Career Essentials face many different challenges.
The challenging part is having students find a shadow that is available. Sometimes certain businesses or companies do not allow job shadows just because of privacy reasons. So it's sometimes a challenge that way. Other challenges are just making phone calls. Maybe the person you need to talk to is not available when they call, and so then you have to call back and leave messages, so that can be challenging.
I would say the most challenging part is to actually find the shadows, and some places are very confidential, so they don't let you.
My favorite part is just seeing students get excited when they find the career that's a good fit for them. They really get excited with the opportunity and what they get to see. It's just fun to see them kind of light up.
My favorite part about Career Essentials is just being able to get out of school and have the opportunity to see what the jobs are like on a day-to-day basis.
If you're interested in job shadowing to help find what you want to study, take Mrs. Cooper's Career Essentials class.
I'm thinking I maybe should have taken that class before my senior year.
Yeah, maybe, but at least you can have fun and watch the Blind, Deaf, and Mute Challenge.
I think I'd want you to be mute so I don't have to listen to you talk anymore.
Right. Let's go watch the video.
Okay, where's the bowl? Is it this one?
I did it.
This one? Ew! Oh, Carly, that was clean! Oh, and no. Okay, where's the other?
Wait.
Oh my god!
Do we have the papers? Ah!
Yeah, Owen, bring it over here.
What? What do you want?
Mix it.
What do you need?
Mix it.
Mix it? It's already mixed.
I can't see.
No.
What's next?
Sprinkles. Why are you opening them already?
I thought you said what?
What? What do you want? Why's there water all over the counter? It's egg yolk. What are we doing? Vegetable, I got this. Ah! No. All of it's a vegetable.
Okay, where's it to that? Are you laughing? Oh. Did it go?
In the camera. Why?
Because you're annoying.
Higher.
Higher.
Higher. I don't know. Higher.
Is it mixed? Is it mixed?
What?
Is it good?
It looks good. I'm a swerve in the corner. Whoa, whoa. That's a cream pie.
Oh.
I'm gonna swerve in the corner, whoa, whoa. Show me some blue cupcake.
What is that? Where's everything at?
No! What color is that? What's orange and blue made? What's orange and blue made?
Hello, orange?
Brown.
What was that?
We don't want brown cupcake.
Where are we at right now?
Why? Carly, come here.
I don't know where here is.
Come here. Just pour them in the. Here. I'll tap them in here. Go through the noise. What are you? Okay. Whoa!
It's getting cold.
I'm upside down. No, I'm not. There's cupcake in the dang in the frosting. Doesn't stick.
Where are the frosting on?
It looks like ice cream.
What's
doing? I'm good.
That's disgusting. You
right.
take a bite of that.
That's insane.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa.
Yikes, those cupcakes don't look too good.
I think Carly did a pretty good job in my opinion, but what happened to you being mute? I think maybe we should get this going before this goes any further. I'm Faith.
And I'm Kensley.